Welcome back. It's been a while since I made some contents on my channel, so it's time to do some, what can I call it? I'm thinking I've moved from my big house to my extremely small apartment, which I bought, and now I'm thinking this is a one-roomer. And my plan, let's take a little view from this perspective. I'm thinking like this. Let's make this the optimal man cave place. Just because I'm going to work and have fun, you know. So this weekend I'm thinking like this. I bought the new floor, you say? And I'm gonna build a room here, a bedroom with / walk-in closet. So I'm gonna rip that one apart and make 2 open wardrobes to make it a little bit cooler. And every wall will be new color, new everything, dark theme, what do you say? Yeah, it's gonna be really good. And the most complicated part is when you're doing a one-room apartment and keep the furniture and everything in the apartment while you're doing it. You have to move around a lot. So, chapter 1. This is the new floor in the entrance. So I'm thinking like this, it's gonna shift color here to a lighter color. So now I have to work myself around the corner, do the upcoming bedroom. So with this tight space, you have to plan it. So you have to move everything over here, move the bed, build this part and put the bed back. So, you know, it takes a lot of time, but I must say it's easier than not be able to live here, move the bed out, down, you know, blah, blah, blah. So, give me a few hours. I'll have this part. And a little fast forward here. The weekend is over and I've accomplished not exactly as much as I wanted, but at least I have my so-called walk-in structure ready with all my clothes and stuff. So soon there will be some kind of wall with a window right here, so I can stay in my bed and still look out. No, it's night now, so you don't see out through the window. Well, first start, I think it's getting somewhere. The floor, I really love the floor. Way nice. Well. And yes, they arrived today, my acoustic panels. So I've started to glue them to my wall. I have a concrete wall, so I won't do any drilling. I think it feels good. Oh, what do you think? Is the man cave coming somewhere, or is it a disaster? Well, just keep on working. Friday again, so. And the smoked oak acoustic panel is also here. they are supposed to be on this wall. So, and I'm gonna rip all that out, have a countertop with a matching color to it. So we'll see how that be. Here we have the first structure of the bedroom. Now the window is in place, so I can see that little view out there. I like that. Waking up in the mornings, looking out, something like that. Not a good light there, but as you see, I must say, this wall structure is so good in sound deadening. So, and I don't know if you can hear the different if I'm talking to you and walk in here, how good the sound deadening is on this kind of walls, acoustic walls, that it has been more and more popular. I must say, I really like the feeling of them. It gets kind of exclusive. Well, at least when you live in apartments. I'm used to living in a house and it's quiet. And here you have people moving around doing things. My neighbors right now are cleaning probably their apartment and vacuum cleaning, but I can hear them, but very softened. So that's what I like, instead of having the feeling that they're living in my apartment. So I like it. So let's wrap this up now for the coming hour, and there's gonna be a part 2 where I have to fix the element, the heating, so it looks better. I've ordered now everything for my studio / office part here. I'm gonna cover all the wall with more drawers. It's gonna be 4 ones there, 2 and 2 big ones, so I can have my writer and stuff. And here is the kitchen. Gonna clean it all out. New fridge, new countertop all the way, wine cooler, everything here. New wallpapers, yeah. Everything is gonna be new. So I'm looking forward to it. So no more. So work and more work. But there's good things coming. Look at this. My own kitchen. So Team North. Nice. It's rolling in now. Maybe I will be able to make the last part of my man cave home before Christmas and operations. I wish so many things ordered. Wine cooler, you know. So, but there, the first stuff is coming, and the rest is work. Well, let's dig in. And there it is, my new kitchen. At least kitchen doors and drawers fronts. So let's unpack. And there we have it. The first round of putty on the wall. And it's time to remove this one's frames and put a 60 frame, use that one, and another frame in the corner. I'm waiting for my countertop to arrive, hopefully next week. So I will prepare this area here right now for being a little bit more nice. So let's carry on this Saturday cold morning. Look at that car there. Nice to be inside for once. Yes, let's take a short break here and reflect a few seconds. And if you're still here, which you are if you see this, so please like, subscribe if you want to see this type of content. I'm building now. This is supposed to be my studio, which I have no light yet. I haven't gotten that far, but it's going to be better. It's going to be more for this kind of content. And the content, the future, the 2025 will be in creating a new life, a new lifestyle. It's going to be traveling, it's going to be cars, it's going to be creating a life for a 50 plus guy who will try to achieve all the goals, all the dreams, all, you know, those stuff you have had on your mind for many years. So, well, as I said, like and subscribe. Yeah, let's move on. Well, unfortunately, I did my order on the wallpapers a bit too late to have them to Christmas and even for New Year's Eve. So I'm thinking like this. I will show you how much space this area gave me in this one roomer, and you've seen a little bit, and in a few days or week I think I'll show you the kitchen and everything else. As I said, have to wait for the wallpapers. Well, I can't exactly complain about all this space in so small apartment, and this is just for the clothes. And I have 3 ones up there and 2 under the bed. So for being a guy, I can have a lot of clothes. What do you say? And on my office slash studio side, I can put almost everything I need and want in all these big ones, as you see. I think it covers all my needs as an old gentleman.